Just kind of gives you an idea of what things can look like. Follow this along. Ooh, boy. There we go. Now we've got another train catching up here. So it's been a while since I've had trains running on here. I took a bit of a break for modeling, so the track's a little dirty. But cool thing is if things are running really well, I can run it at scale speeds. Take about 10 minutes to go around the whole mountain loop. That's kind of fun. But you want a train running through here? At least a few of you asked for it, so there you go. Let me go quickly over to other parts of the layout that I'm working on that are still in progress. I'm sure we get a wide shot. We've got two trains running through. I think I need to slow the other one down now. There. Or I'll speed the other one up. Let me do that. Alright. Give you a quick tour of the other part of the layout. Slow that down. Alright, that's a bit more like it. Nice shot through here. My hand's jittering. Sorry about that. Let me go over to another part of the layout. This little bridge I got there. So this is going to be a coal mine scene at some point. The whole color of the rock will be different. Right now it's a uniform tank, excuse me. But it kind of goes down and around. And here's another little town at the bottom of the loop down here. And at some point, that's my cat. Yeah, I've got critters in the house. Down you go, you turd. Eventually, this part here, which is pretty darn cluttered up, it's going to be a yard. Major town, major yard. So, yeah, I've got a lot of clutter. So actually, I've got two main lines. One is kind of the mountain loop that kind of goes all over the place, as you can see. And down here, that's the mountain loop. It just kind of goes underneath like that. So now I've got the, let me show you one more thing. Little suspended staging yard here. Staging slash storage. I'm kind of wrapping it around the furnace and the waste pipe, sewer pipe. Here we go. Got a train coming through here. 4 tracks and suspended from the ceiling like that. Threaded rod down through here. And then threaded underneath. And I've got some steel here to reinforce the long pieces, so it's this is probably one part of the layout that's not necessarily visible, but I think came out pretty well. Pretty sturdy too, so yeah. So anyway, that's kind of a quick tour of the layout. Also have another staging yard back here for the lower level. Kind of dead ends on the wall there, so, and it goes underneath behind there. Another shot, train going through there. Alright, I'm knocking everything over. I'm signing off for now. So, kind of gives you an idea what things look like. put some extra scenery on there. So there you have it. Signing off for now.